here with OMG Her Hair again. Okay, same sleek packaging as always. Alright, then I got this bag on the inside. I guess this is what has the wig, which we're going to get into, and it's branded. So let's see what else is in the box. So I got this 3D dome wig cap. Okay, so let's see how this looks. The cap is mesh, so that's very nice and breathable. And then you have this band in the back, which is adjustable. Okay, so that's really nice. It has 2 combs and a non-slip strip in the very back of the cap, so I think that helps with security a lot. And then in the front there is the mesh portion, so we're gonna get into that with the wig today. So I think it's great that they sent this wig cap. I got these 2 clips. I always love getting these because these, I just add them to my clip collection. I got an edge brush and comb. I got a rat tail comb. I also got a pair of HD wig caps and a cute thank you card. Looks so good. I love how, you know, clean and modern their packaging looks. It's just so sleek. I love it. This is the wig we're working with today, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Has very discreet highlighted portions, and this wig is actually a 20-inch YAKI straight texture. It's 180% in density. Now remember, I just showed you guys a 3D dome cap because that's actually what today's wig is. It's a 3D dome cap constructed wig. All right, so what's the meaning of dome, right? So it's the shape of the lace area specifically, if you can see. So the lace area is pressed out into a dome with the distortion free according to the human's forehead contour. This has a ratio of 8:6, right? So it's a 8:6 lace portion. So yeah, you could consider it a closure wig because it's not a full-on lace front. It definitely is a glueless wig, and with the construction it will be very stable on your head. All right, so when wearing a normal cap, you may have the issue where you couldn't get the lace to lay straight without gathering in the front. So what they mean is usually, like, you know, sometimes, I don't know if you guys have ever experienced it, like in the front it will kind of not fit, like it won't sit on the forehead area. So that is what the dome cap now does, the 3D dome cap. So that's the reason, like, you see how they added these portions, it really helps with how it sits on your head. So I love that. And with the lace that's on this, it's a super undetectable pre-cut HD lace. As you can see, they did a S zigzag, I don't know if you can see, but they did like a S zigzag cut in the front, and it's great for, it's basically a nice pre-cut melting hairline, so it will come out very undetectable. As I said, very seamless type of blend is what you will get with this. And also they did the upgraded adjustable elastic cord. Okay, so this here in the back, this is actually the first time I'm working with this, so you can actually, it's like a whole drawstring vibe to this cap construction, and I absolutely love it. This is so different. So you see, you can adjust that to how tight or loose you want it to be. All right, and they did upgrade the wig cap band as well. It's a strong stretchable band with silicone non-slip, and it can provide better security. Now look at the side here. This is where it would lay around your ears. It has that nice, it has that C-shaped design, and it matches the ear shape, and it provides a better fit, and it just make like wearing the wig more comfortable, you know. So I absolutely love that. The comb here is removable. What they did is add a Velcro. This is so different, guys, so different. Like I had to get detail and show you. Like usually it's a slip in and slip out. This is a different one for me. So this only stays on by the Velcro. The Velcro is very strong. So yeah, this is new. I love the construction. We're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna go ahead, slip this on, and as I said, it's gonna be a very easy glueless install. Love the wig. I'm not getting any shedding so far, so that's really nice. Okay, and yeah, it's gonna be very simple, very easy, very to the point, perfect for my beginners. So let's get to it. Let's go.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming.
Slip it into the position you want it to fit and just adjust the string in the back, and that is secure. It feels so good. I've never tried a wig where it's with a drawstring. Like, what? All I need to focus on right now is, you know, I feel like most of the time with these wigs, it's still a wig, so I feel like it's not very noticeable, but you can see a little bit of cast. So I'm gonna get my powder to just mute that down, and I'm gonna get this really nice and laid with my hot comb and run through it with my flat iron. But this is so straightforward. They ultimately simplified the glueless wig. Like, they really simplified it all the way, and I love that. Absolutely love that. It is bomb. Okay, bomb, I'm telling you. Like, what more could you ask for? This is really nice. So I'm gonna first of all go ahead, and it fits. Okay, so you notice, okay, look, when they said the difference with the dome cap, or what the dome cap is, this is what it is. You see how it hugs the forehead? Like, it hugs it right around, like it is not loose. And I get it, because sometimes that can happen in the front. This is on there. It fits the forehead properly, so you don't have to worry about it not laying on your head, like nice and snugged, you know? So that is what the dome cap, the 3D dome cap, is supposed to do. Take off just the portion that absolutely no hair is on. And I'm wearing very minimal makeup, as you can see. Something very subtle. Like, yeah. So I get my powder, and I'm just tapping that into the very edge. Nothing new, you know. Just take your time and do that. And that looks good. So if you know, it's a little puffy in the top here. Definitely needs the laying with the hot comb. So I'm gonna get into that. I'm just gonna go through the front and get it laid like properly and thoroughly, and I'm just gonna speed through all of this, because right after this I'm just basically going to use my flat iron to get it nice and straight.
Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
This is it after I've run through it with my flat iron. The ends are very even. It's so full to the tip, not stringy. Looks very healthy. It feels very good. Like, look at that movement. Yeah, man. OMGHerHair, you did that, because flawless glueless install. Like, everything is already done for you. Like, everything is done to perfection. They perfected the construction of a proper glueless wig. Okay, I love that. Love that. This is gonna be so easy for everybody that's just getting into wig wearing, and for the people that want a very easy and quick installation when they want to go ahead and rock a wig. I 100% recommend something like this. It's not shedding right now, so I love that. No shedding at all. Eventually I know it will shed, but it's not shedding right now, so that's a great sign. No shedding whatsoever. The hair feels great. The lace is a 200% a win. love it. Like, it is sitting on my forehead. I love that. Love that. Of course, you know the direct link to this wig is going to be in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. All the specifications will be listed. Shout out to OMGHerHair once more, because you did that. Okay, you did that. Yeah, that is it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.